Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel, and I'm here in my garage. The weather has been pretty bad outside. This is my Tesla right here, and today we talk about a new excuse me, product I got from Tparts. So I got plenty of products from Tparts. I have plenty of stuff from Tparts laying around here. Some I have installed, and what I have installed, I love it, and what I haven't installed, I may install, or I may even give it to one of you guys. We'll see in the future. Tparts is a pretty good company, and this is what they sent me. Look at that. It's like a windshield umbrella. It's a sunshade. Comes in a bag, and the bag is really soft. You know, feels really soft and nice. And I'm gonna open that one-handed here, like a professional. Just not that easy, but let's check it out. Here. Yeah, that didn't work. All right, let me grab it. Here you go. And it really looks like an umbrella, doesn't it? A little small of a handle there, huh? Okay, let's open it up. And then we'll put it in the car and install it, and we'll drive somewhere to do that. Okay, here we go, Tparts. And this is the moment for you guys to subscribe, and also go in the description of the video and you find a link to Tparts. And if you want to buy their products, don't hesitate and put my code in, which is Hangar, and you find it in my description, and you get, I believe it's 10% off your entire purchase. I think it was 10%, or was it 20? You'll go look, you know, see how I am. I'm pretty not a professional here. So there's a little wobbly handle here, and there's a button. And how do I open that? I think I have to use two hands to open it. So let me put my camera down, and we'll do that together. Here, camera right here. Two hands, and how's that open? Oh, I pull on this. Okay, let's pull, and here we go. Okay, well, this is interesting. Look, I'm holding this. Looks like I'm having an umbrella in my hand. Let's put it down, and this is what it looks like. It says Tparts on it, born to belong. It's kind of balancing on that little tiny handle here. Let's see. And I'm always honest about my reviews. I tell you what I think. So far, Tparts hasn't disappointed me. All their products were pretty good. This is, yeah, metal and plastic combo here. And plastic here, and it's not a real umbrella, so you don't have to fear for the wind. Okay, well, there's not much to say. Here's a little button to put it back in, like that. Okay, and then you can put it together like an umbrella and put it in this little sack here to keep it out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna hop in the Tesla and take you guys with me, and we will put that in somewhere outside and see what it looks like, and also how easy it is to put it there. Look, red light, because the charger here got triggered, so it doesn't charge. I have to restart it, and then it will work again. Let's do it right now. And back in there, and sometimes that happens when it gets too warm or something. I've had that problem for a while, and I think this is just bad unit, because with other chargers the car doesn't do that. Alright, we'll get in here, and I'll see you outside when I found a nice spot to put the umbrella into the windshield. Doesn't that sound funny? Alright, here we are, and look at those clouds. And we'll get some heavy rain again, just like we had it a while ago. First, get these up. Then, I'm just gonna do what I think is right. I'm gonna pull on this, and I don't know where it's up and down. Let's see what happens. Let's do that. It's not working. It's a little big. Okay, I'm gonna put the bottom in here, and the top underneath the mirror, and I'll try it again. Well, And it's a little tricky to get it out. There we go. There we go, I got it. Well, it's not gonna stay in. Let me put the camera down for a second. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so here's my first impression. This is a good idea, but you have to know what you're doing. You have to put it in exactly the right spot, and then you have to pull, and it's kind of rubbery and soft, and then you have to push it against here, so it kind of gives some pressure against the windshield. Once you figure that out, it's gonna be fine. There's some Velcro there, and you can do these, put these down. That helps, and it should stay in place pretty good. So let's go see what it looks like from the outside. Here's the weather coming. Okay, so it looks good. It looks good. I mean, that's the first try here. I can fold that inside, so it looks a little better. But you know, it's about the sunshade, not about the looks, to be honest. Yeah, I think it looks good, and it covers the whole windshield, so it's not a bad product at all. You just have to figure out what the best angle is to prop it with that rubber handle there, so it stays in, and when to pull the trigger so it flops right into place. Yeah, thanks Tparts for sending me this. Pretty good product. If you want it, go ahead and buy it from Tparts. You get a discount with my code. And yeah, these are from Tparts as well, carbon fiber covers here. They're pretty nice too. So guys, I'll go home, and I hope you have a wonderful day. So hope I see you soon on my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe.